Sometimes we have habits. We have certain behaviors that takes us away from who we really are and what we're supposed to be doing. And so you have to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help to overcome yourself. Allah is the only one who surrounds yourself. Yourself can outwit you, right? It has different degrees. You have nafs al-ammara, the commanding self, nafs al-lawama, the blaming self, nafs al-mutma'inna, the self that is satisfied. And a lot of times we don't know ourselves. We don't understand ourselves. We're not self-aware. We don't know those things that we get involved in at a young age that's going to destroy us or destroy our families when we're older. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for guidance. وَيُزِيدُ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ اتَّدَوْا هُدَى. You ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for guidance, He will guide you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you. I'm going to read this hadith, I'm going to read this dua for you so that you can understand how important it is to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for guidance. All right? This is what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say. And our ulama say that this hadith, this dua, it's just asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for guidance. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is asking Allah for divine light. For divine light. Why? Because divine light makes things clear. Here, in here. If you have divine light here, everything becomes clear. This is the reason why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in another hadith, he said, "Itaqu firasatul mu'min fa innahu yanzuru bi nurillah." Beware of that spiritual insight of the believer, because he sees by the light of Allah. In other words, he has sight and it's combined with insight. And he can see, even though you may outwardly, you look one way, but Allah lifts the veil so they can understand things at a much deeper level. And we have too many examples of this, from amongst the Sahaba, from amongst the Tabi'een, amongst the Tabi'een, you know, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala lifted their veils so they could see beyond what was apparent. And so Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is asking Allah for this. And there's no one in this room, there's no one in this city that can dispense from this. All right? So I'm going to say it in Arabic, and then I'll translate it. This is what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say. Allahumma ja'al fi qalbi nura, wa fi lisani nura, وجعل في سمعي نورا وجعل في بصري نورا وجعل من خلفي نورا ومن أمامي نورا وجعل من فوقي نورا ومن تحتي نورا اللهم أعطيني نور. And in another narration he goes further. وعن يميني نور وعن شمالي نور وفي لحمي نور وفي دمي نور وجعلني نور وجعلني نور وحبلي نور وحبلي نورا على نور. This is according to the ulama, this is the way of asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for guidance. Complete guidance. Oh Allah, place in my heart light, divine light. And on my tongue, divine light. And in my hearing, divine light. And in my sight, divine light. وَمِنْ خَلْفِي, from behind me, divine light. And from in front of me, divine light. Or from above me, divine light. From below me, divine light. Allahumma a'tini nur. Oh Allah, give me divine light. And on the right of me, divine light. On the left of me, divine light. In my muscles, lahmi. In my muscles, divine light. In my blood, divine light. وَجَعَلْنَنِي nur. Make me a light. وَجَعَلْنِي نُور, give me light. وَحَبْلِ نُور, bestow upon me light. وَحَبْلِ نُورًا عَلَى نُور, give me light upon light. This is how Rasulullah ﷺ used to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for guidance. So you see, you may be guided to one thing, you still have to ask for more guidance. And you keep asking for more guidance. And you keep asking for more guidance. And you don't stop asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for more guidance until you die. This is the pathway to Jannah. Because you want to know what is that thing that you have to do that makes arriving at Jannah easy for you. Don't wear yourself out with the external deeds and you have not rectified your internal state. Pay attention to what's happening in here. Pay attention.